Hello everybody and welcome to Omega Survival. I'm going to just do a quick tutorial video on something I recently learned with the Leatherman wave. It's with all Leatherman waves. This is a regular Leatherman wave. There's nothing special about it. It's a hidden feature that I just found after owning this for almost 2 years. First you locate the saw. You open the saw up, and then right in here, see that little piece of metal right there? You push up on it with a flat screwdriver, and it pops a lanyard hole out. It's a legitimate lanyard hole, that's what it's meant for. Then you take your paracord, and knot it through. Whatever knot you want, whatever paracord you want, it's all up to you. I just keep it simple so I can grab it. I don't know if this is on all the Leatherman series, but this is the wave. And there is a legitimate lanyard hole in it. Like I showed you, you just take the saw out and pop the little piece up with a flat screwdriver. Put it back in its case, and you're done. I'm Mike with Omega Survival. I hope that helps somebody out there. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.